I want to roll out our latest Crawlspace door. We've dealt with these for years and years and years, and it's really been difficult to come up with a way that had things that didn't rust and didn't have to paint and those types of things. So what we've done is we've got a PVC, solid PVC door. You probably notice it has no hinges. It's got a grab handle that can be put on vertically or horizontally. That's really the only installation process. You're going to have to screw this handle in because we ship it with the handle loose and 2 screws. We will have pre-drilled holes for this product. So you'll basically, it's a flush mount. So if you go to a block or a brick wall, whatever the surface is, you'll drill 4 holes. You'll put a bead of the magic adhesive behind it, mount it on the wall, screw them in, and you're done. Because it's not mounted, I'm going to show you how it actually works. The door fits in, we call it a slot and lock. So it fits in that little groove on the end, and once I latch it back, the door's secured. So no hinges, so you don't have to worry about the hinges rusting. It flush mounts. It's quick. I mean, you guys can go to the job, drill. We even provide the screws. They'll drill 4 holes, put a Tapcons in them, have the adhesive behind them, and this is what you're getting. It's really high quality. It's heavy. You can paint it. There are lots of paints that will paint PVC board, and I think you're going to find it as a solution to all these doors that sag and fall and crack and need painting and whatnot. We can ship one at a time, or we can ship a pallet, so just let us know.